These machines are so massive, they make buildings look small. From a bulldozer bigger than a house to an excavator as tall as a skyscraper. Today, we're counting down the biggest construction machines ever built. Number 1 will absolutely blow your mind.
Welcome back to the channel. If you love diesel engines, heavy equipment, and massive machines, you're in the right place. Make sure to subscribe, and let's jump straight into the list.
Number 8. Starting at number 8, the P&H L2350 wheel loader, officially recognized by Guinness World Records as the world's largest wheel loader. This monster is more than just a piece of heavy equipment. It is a marvel of modern engineering. With a height of up to 6.40 meters and a TML, operational weight of over 260 tons, the L2350 stands as the absolute ruler of the open pit mine. In the mining world, time is money. Its bucket or shovel capacity reaches 40 cubic meters. This means the L2350 only needs 2 or 3 fills to get a 400-ton mining truck fully loaded and ready to go. The L2350 can lift up to 72 tons with just 1 shovel. Imagine. That's the equivalent of lifting 30 SUVs in a matter of seconds. With 4-meter-high tires specially designed to withstand extreme loads, this machine is capable of working 24 hours a day in the harshest environments on Earth. Number 7. At number 7, the Komatsu D575A Super Dozer. It's the world's largest bulldozer. It weighs about 150 tons, equivalent to about 100 passenger cars stacked together, and produces over 2,100 horsepower, standing nearly 5 meters tall and reaching 11 meters long. This monster was born for one sole purpose: to move anything that gets in its way. With a single push, its giant blades can move 69 cubic meters of material. That's enough to fill a standard-sized swimming pool in just minutes. Although production has now ceased, its position as the world's largest mass-produced dozer remains unassailable. It is the pinnacle of heavy equipment engineering, a testament to the near limitless limits of humankind's ability to create giant machines. Number 6.
Coming in at number 6, the Caterpillar 797F mining truck. The Caterpillar 797F is more than just a truck, but a mechanical monster that redefines the limits of human capabilities in the mining sector. This giant haul truck can carry up to 400 tons of material. This truck is over 7 meters tall. When it lifts its bed to dump its load, its height soars to 15 meters, the equivalent of a 5-story building. One 4-meter-high tire weighs 5 tons, and one unit of this truck requires 6 tires to support the total operational weight of 623,000 kilograms. This truck uses a Cat C175-220 engine. This 20-cylinder engine produces up to 4,000 horsepower. Put this into perspective. This power is equivalent to the combined output of more than 30 high-end SUVs. With mountain-moving torque, the 797F is designed to operate 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. The Caterpillar 797F is more than just iron and oil. It's a symbol of human ambition to conquer nature's challenges. It's the backbone of the industry that provides the raw materials for our modern world. Without this truck, the efficiency of large-scale mining worldwide would be crippled.
Number 5.
Number 5 goes to the Baylays 75,710. This is the largest dump truck ever built, capable of carrying up to 450 tons of material. It is 8 meters tall, nearly 10 meters wide, and as long as 2 school buses stacked side by side. What powers this 360-ton monster? Under the hood are 2 16-cylinder diesel engines, working together to power all 8 wheels. Total power output reaches 4,600 horsepower. The Baylays 75,710 holds the world record with a lifting capacity of 450 metric tons. To support this heavy load, it sits on 8 giant tubeless tires. Each tire is 4 meters tall, twice the height of an average person, and weighs up to 5 tons each. The Baylays 75,710 is more than just a truck. It's a testament to humanity's ambition to conquer nature for its resources. In the deepest and harshest mines in the world, this titan continues to work, moving thousands of tons of material every day.
Number 4.
At number 4, The Liebherr LR 13000 crawler crane. Imagine a machine capable of lifting the weight of 30 jumbo jets at once. In the world of heavy construction, the Liebherr LR 13000 is more than just a piece of heavy equipment. The LR 130 has a maximum lifting capacity of 3,000 tons, with a maximum hoisting height of 245 meters. This crane can tower above skyscrapers, making it a prime choice for massive projects like nuclear power plants or offshore oil refineries. Every component is designed to be transportable on standard highways. No single component weighs more than 70 tons, allowing the Titan to be disassembled and moved from one continent to another. In an era where building structures are increasingly massive and prefabricated modules are increasingly heavy, the LR 13000 is the single solution. It works where other cranes fail, offering unmatched time and space efficiency in the field.
Number 3.
Number 3. The legendary Big Muskie dragline excavator. Big Muskie was the world's largest dragline excavator ever built, operating in Ohio, USA, from 1969 to 1991, at the height of a 22-story building and weighing 13,000 tons, the equivalent of the Izmil sedans. Big Muskie was more than just a machine. It was an engineering anomaly. Its metal arms stretched 300 feet into the sky. The size of its bucket is large enough to accommodate 12 cars in a single swing. When operating, it didn't use conventional wheels or steel chains. Big Muskie walked on 2 giant legs, weighing hundreds of tons. This one machine was finally dismantled in 1999. The dismantling process itself took nearly 2 years. Today, all that remains of his prowess is his giant dredging bucket on display at Miners Memorial Park, Ohio.
Number 2.
At number 2, the Bagger 288 bucket wheel excavator. Meet the Bagger 288, one of the largest and heaviest land vehicles in the world. Built by the German company Krupp in 1978, the 13,500-ton behemoth is a steel structure as tall as a building and as long as 2 football fields. At the front is a giant 22-meter diameter excavator wheel. It is equipped with 18 giant steel buckets, each capable of lifting the contents of a large dump truck in a single dredging operation in a single day. The Bagger 288 can move 240,000 tons of soil. That's the equivalent of digging a hole the depth of a football field in less than 24 hours. For more than 4 decades, the Bagger 288 has been the undisputed king of the German coal mines. Unlike many industrial machines that end up in the Bagger 288 isn't truly retired in the sense of being retired forever, even as mining technology shifts toward greener, more sustainable development. This steel monster still stands tall in the Garzweiler open pit mine. It now often serves as a backup unit or operates at reduced capacity, while its younger sibling takes over the front lines.
Number 1.
And finally, number 1, the Bagger 293, weighing in at 14,000 tons, the equivalent of 2,000 African elephants. Stacked together, this is the Bagger 293, the largest and heaviest land vehicle ever built by human hands. Built in Germany in 1995, the Bagger 293 is a bucket wheel excavator that redefined the word giant. It stands 96 meters tall. It is 225 meters long, or more than twice the length of a football field. At the end of its massive arms is a giant cutting wheel with a diameter of 21 meters. This wheel is equipped with 18 giant buckets, each of which can hold enough volume to fill a family car. The Bagger 293 isn't just a showpiece. It's a workhorse in lignite coal mines. In a single day, this monster can move 240,000 cubic meters of soil and rock. Although very powerful, it can't move fast. Its maximum speed is only about 0.6 kilometers per hour. Very slow, but sure. When Bagger 293 needs to move from one mine to another, it isn't transported. It travels alone, crossing roads and rivers that must be specially prepared to prevent it from collapsing under its colossal weight. The Bagger 293 is not only the world record holder for the largest land vehicle, it is a moving monument that demonstrates that to human creativity. Even mountains are just mounds of dirt waiting to be moved.